Welcome to our video on the vital role of support workers in positive behaviour support. We'll explore how they implement plans to support individuals, focusing on person-centred planning and creating supportive environments for those they assist. The most important function of a support worker is to establish an enabling relationship with the individual receiving support. This relationship should be built on a foundation of trust, respect, and dignity, creating a supportive environment where individuals feel safe, valued, and understood. Supporting the person well requires active responsiveness to their needs, identifying and understanding their behaviors and contributing to the development of a support plan that meets their specific needs. Support workers can alter the physical environment or their own behavior and the behavior of their team to create an enabling environment. They can also use behavior analysis principles, procedures, and teaching techniques to help the person learn new skills or use pre-existing skills in new ways to achieve their goals. Another key function of support workers is to work collaboratively with other professionals, such as doctors, psychologists, behavior analysts, speech therapists, and occupational therapists, to provide comprehensive and holistic support to the individual. Support workers can help people with intellectual and developmental disabilities communicate their needs and preferences to these professionals, provide information that the supported person might not have, enable communication and collaboration between different professionals involved in their care, and receive training from these professionals to carry out various interventions important to the person they support. Professional development is another crucial aspect of a support worker's role. Training and knowledge enable support workers to provide the best possible support to the individuals they work with. It is essential that support workers identify their training needs and request such training from their employers when they identify the difference between their existing competencies and those required to meet the needs of the people they support. Finally, it is essential to understand the power dynamic between a support worker and the person they support. This power dynamic distinguishes a support role from other roles, including friendships. In a support relationship, the person providing support often has the ability to deny the wishes of the person they support by restricting or denying access to something valued. This dynamic is not typically present in a friendship. Similarly, in a friendship, it is normal to give equal weight to the wishes and feelings of both parties. However, in a support relationship, priority must be given to the wishes of the person receiving support. For example, while you might tell a friend that you were cancelling plans to go to the movies because you felt tired, you would not do this if you were providing support to someone who wanted to go see a movie. One area where a failure to understand the difference between the role of supporter and friend can result in difficulty is with regard to the use of humour. Care and support workers should be cautious about engaging in banter and ribbing with the people they support. While good-natured teasing can be a useful and fun way to build rapport and establish a positive relationship with some people, it is essential to remember that the person you're supporting may have a different communication style or be sensitive to certain types of humour. Some kinds of humour that you use with your friends may not be appropriate in a support context. Care and support workers have a professional responsibility to create a safe and supportive environment for the individuals they support, and banter or ribbing that is experienced as hurtful or insensitive can undermine this environment and potentially harm the person's well-being. In conclusion, support workers play a critical role in positive behaviour support, and it is essential for them to have a strong understanding of PBS values and components, including person-centred planning, creating supportive and enabling environments, supporting functional assessments, implementing behaviour support plans, teaching new skills, and reacting ethically and effectively to behaviours that challenge. Establishing an enabling relationship with the person receiving support is the most important function, and support workers should work collaboratively with other professionals, engage in professional development, and be mindful of the power dynamic and professional boundaries in their interactions when providing support.